Assalamu alaikum and hello. This is Junaid Abdullah. I'm teaching A Level Economics in 6 of the top colleges of Lahore. One of them is BTSC, and which is my personal favorite. Now, this is a very critical time, बच्चों. You have to make such huge decision at the moment. कहाँ जाएं? कौन से subjects लें? कौन सा campus अच्छा है? किसकी फीस ज़्यादा है? कहाँ scholarships? There's so many questions pounding your brains and your parents at the same time. So right now, I can give you a very simple advice. I'm going in 6 of the top colleges of Lahore, and I'm not going to make comparisons, but for some reason, when I come to BTSC, I feel at home. It's a beautiful environment. The campus setting is second to none. We have sporting facilities. We have excellent faculty. I would say second to none. We have the most equipped science lab if you're taking sciences. We have events going on, and now next year events will be even more because we realize that's part of student grooming. Career advice section is so well developed here. We have everything here, very generous scholarships, wall-to-wall air-conditioned campus, and a very welcoming team of teachers, faculty, management, and right from the gate you enter. So welcome and join us for a beautiful year ahead, and wish you all the best.